Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Elantra N versus Lexus IS 350. Decide which matches your driving needs as I compare performance, features, pricing, and ownership costs. We'll cover 0-60 times, suspension feel, cabin quality, available infotainment, and real-world fuel use. Stay tuned for clear examples, driving impressions, and practical buying tips to help you choose the right sedan for daily driving or spirited weekend runs. Both cars approach performance differently, so I'll walk through engine character, chassis balance, and on-road behavior. Expect the Elantra N to reward aggressive throttle inputs and corner work, while the IS 350 prioritizes composure and effortless passing power. I'll mention transmission response, steering weight, and brake feel with real-world impressions. Use these details to match your driving style, whether you want raw engagement or quiet, refined speed. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos and comparisons. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make snacks and lunches perfect for long drives or track days, and they seal tightly so you won't worry about spills in your trunk. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and enjoy a clutter-free ride. Now let's get back to the video. I'll compare interior comfort, technology suites, and long-term ownership factors so you can see total cost beyond sticker price. Expect the Elantra N to give a more driver-centric cockpit and aggressive styling, while the IS 350 supplies quieter ride, softer materials, and extra convenience features. I'll also cover fuel economy, expected maintenance frequency, and resale tendencies to help you estimate yearly costs and ownership satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.